What's up, guys? It's Gus Activa, and today we will be naming fruits in English. I will put a picture of the fruit up, you will tell me what the fruit is, and I will come with the correct answer to see if you got it right. Ready? Let's go. What is the name of this fruit? Grapes. What is the name of this fruit? Cantaloupe. What is the name of this fruit? Watermelon. What is the name of this fruit? Orange. What is the name of this fruit? Lemon. What is the name of this fruit? Lime. What is the name of this fruit? Banana. What is the name of this fruit? Pineapple. What is the name of this fruit? Mango. What is the name of this fruit? Red apple. What is the name of this fruit? Green apple. What is the name of this fruit? Pear. What is the name of this fruit? Peach. What is the name of this fruit? Strawberry. What is the name of this fruit? Cherries. What is the name of this fruit? Blueberries. What is the name of this fruit? Kiwi. What is the name of this fruit? Tomato. What is the name of this fruit? Olive. What is the name of this fruit? Coconut. Alright guys, those are all of the fruits that we have for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.